In today's tutorial, we are going to take a look at the reason why Microsoft Office Word display red and green zigzag. So without much ado, let's get started. But before we get started, on this channel we talk about how you can do some basic stuff using your computer system, and also teach you how you can make use of popular software that are in the market. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so as to see various video that has been uploaded. So let's get started. So what does red line means? Red line means spelling error. Whenever you are typing on Microsoft Office Word, and then probably you might not even know that you type error, but Microsoft Office Word has a way to show you, to tell you that what you are doing or what you are typing is absolutely wrong. So whenever you see a red sign or a red zigzag or a red underline, you should note that what you are typing is a spelling error. Now for an example, look at this. You have to be, actually I wanted to type computer literate, but I don't know that I did not put that vowel U. Now let me try to highlight it. Now as I was typing, Microsoft Office Word actually noted that what I actually type is not correct. Probably the spelling is not actually correct. So which means is either you correct the word or you go to Microsoft Office Word auto suggestion. So how do you do that? Just click on the red zigzag and then you right click on it, and then you will see different options that Microsoft Office Word thought that you can make use of. So actually I wanted to type you have to be computer literate, and then I type you have to be computer literate. So which means I right click, and then in fact the computer is the very first word that actually came on the dictionary. So I just have to click on computer, and then it has been corrected, and once it is corrected there will be no more red zigzag. And also there is another one. I would love to go to Unilag tomorrow. Now Microsoft Office Word is programmed in English language, so there are some words, probably there are some local language that you want to type, and then Microsoft Office Word will just say, oh no, I don't understand this word, so I will make it a spelling error. So actually if you know that okay, this is what I want to type, and then Microsoft Office Word flag it as a spelling error words, then you have to leave it like that. Now because Unilag is a name of a is an acronym of a university in Nigeria, which is University of Lagos. So I don't want to type it in the full format, I mean the full meaning. I write down the acronym, the shortcut, because it's popularly known as Unilag. The institution is popularly known as Unilag. So what I just have to do is you can right click on it, and then you see Microsoft Office Word gives out some suggested English that you can use, but they are not useful. So you can actually ignore, or you add a dictionary. So if you add it to dictionary, it will take out the underlined word, it will take it out, and then Microsoft Office Word will understand that okay, this word is your own word, and then you know what you are doing to it. I believe you understand what I'm trying to do. So now we want to go back to green line. What does green zigzag, what does it mean? It means grammatical error. Now grammatical error is when you are probably typing two or more words together, and then there is a breakage of rules. So which means once Microsoft Office Word discovered that oh, there is a breaking of rules in English language, then they have to underline and then correct you that okay, let me give you a suggestion. Now for this example, here it is. One of the most important aspects of human life is the discovery of oneself. So as I was typing, I was like, what really happened to this? Then when I right click on the green zigzag, and then I discover that I have to put S there. So which means one of the most important aspects of human life is the discovery of oneself. It's not one of the most important aspects. So I right click and then I click on the suggested word aspect, which means that is the correct grammatical rules of English language. Now the second example here is I trains every day. English is not really our first language, so we are actually trying. So actually somebody might just thought, okay, something I do every day is I just have to put S there, but it's grammatical wrong. So which means Microsoft Office will underline it and say, oh, you are grammatical wrong. So it underline it, and then I right click on it and I discover that it is train, that it is not trains. So all these you have to take note of them whenever you are making use of Microsoft Office Word. If you are using a local language, then you can ignore or add it to dictionary. But if it's an English word, you have to check very well if peradventure you made mistake. I believe you have gained something very vital in this Microsoft Office Word tutorial. Check out different videos on how you can do or how you can make use of Microsoft Office Word application. Please subscribe to this channel, share this to those that you think might love it. Good day.